So if you want to view all those hidden tasks, you can easily find it under the project. You will be sent it according to the role that we have assigned.
Oh, and what if we multiple sale orders created for the very same product? What happens?
Even if we are just using the storable product, you can create a project. So you have to specify under which project.
Oh, from here itself we can do that.
Yeah. So if I'm just
Like we set for product and all, like image can be set.
Image can be set. So if you're just going to complete the second task before the first, we cannot do that right now.
Hello dear viewers, welcome to Tech Tonic powered by Cybrosys. So this is your host Aishwarya and this is your co-host Jarina. So what are we going to talk today in this episode?
Today we are going to discuss about the features from the project module and field service module of Odoo 19. And the very first feature that we are going to discuss about is the change in subtask visibility. Okay, so as we just get into the task of a particular project, we would be able to find the task that is corresponding to different stage. But there might exist certain tasks which are hidden to this particular project. So if you want to view all those hidden tasks, you can easily find it under the project using a button called subtask visibility. So you can find this feature to the top of right side of the task of the particular project. And
like it's in the Kanban view, right?
Yeah. So you can simply enable that feature and you can see the hidden task under a particular project.
So that's the subtask visibility button. As the name itself, it simply shows you the hidden subtask.
Yeah.
And the second one is subcontracted service in project.
Yeah. For this, we have to consider a service product and you just need to ensure that you have designated a vendor and you have enabled the subcontracted service
for that particular service product.
Yeah. So once you enable this feature, what happens is that when you just sell the item, the purchase order will be automatically created and this will not group the subcontracted services. In the previous version, actually, it would group the subcontracted service, but in Odoo 19, it will separately create the subcontracted service.
They'll be as discrete.
Yeah. So let's imagine that Abigail Peterson as well as Openwood is just making an order for camera service. So those order is confirmed and the RFQ will be generated separately for this subcontracted service.
And what if we multiple sale orders created for the very same product? What happens?
Still the same is going to happen.
Okay, but I think these purchase order will be separate.
That means
separate purchase order will
be generating over there.
Okay. Then we have the dispatch task based on project.
Okay. So here, when we just move on to the project, in Odoo 19, we have a feature to create a template. Okay. So let's imagine that we are just conducting an office party. So we have to invite the employees. So we know that in a company, there will be different departments and designations, right? So we can assign the the role over there, and according to the project assignments, this invitation will be sent according to the role that we have assigned.
Oh, okay. Separately we can send it.
So the task will be assigning accordingly to the to the job project role that we have given. Okay, so we have already published a detailed tutorial video of all these features in our channel, so you can just watch it.
Like if you have any confusion, we got detailed videos on it. So that's the dispatching of the task based on project.
Yeah.
Then we have the stage configuration in field service. So as the name indicates, it's the configuration of a stage.
Yeah.
Like we know how a stage is configured. But there are certain other things which we have to do. Like first of all, you have to go to the configuration of the field service module. Then go to the stage and create a new one. Okay. There you can add view button.
Yeah. Right. Like there you can find the view button in the list view. And upon clicking on that, you can set the SMS template
under this particular button, right?
And if you want to set any color for this particular stage configuration, you can set that. And also, it is mandatory to set the stage configuration under different projects. So you have to specify under which project.
Oh, plus here itself we can do that.
Yeah. In previous version, actually we can set the stage configuration generally. But right now, we can set this for particular project.
Specific project, specific stage.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you are specifying the project, this stage configuration will be only done for that particular project.
Okay,
So
it
that
won't be
is-
taken anywhere else.
No.
Okay.
So that's a new feature in Odoo 19.
Okay. Then you have consume or maintain buffer when calculating dependencies.
So we know when we just move on to the Gantt view, we can find the tasks which are dependent on the other task. So if you're just going to complete the second task before the first, we cannot do that right now because that task will be blocked, and you can find an indication of the blocked task as a first task is not completed.
So only when the first one is completed, we can move
we
on.
can just move on to the other one. So in this case, we can just go with the manual scheduling of the task, or we can just go with rescheduling of the task by keeping the buffer or using the buffer. So there are
Three options.
three options to manage that.
Okay, so that's the buffer related calculating, the dependencies and all. Then we have create a project from sale order without a service line.
In previous versions of Odoo, actually, we can only create a project by using the service product. But right now, the product type is not mattered over there. Even if we are just using the storable product, you can create a project. But the thing is that first we have to confirm the quotation and move it into a sale order. So once it's set to a sale order, you can easily create a project for the sale order by moving on to the settings of this sales order. Okay, so that is the change that you can find under the project module of Odoo 19.
And finally, we have one more thing, which is to change order of task in map view.
Okay, so this comes under the field service module. So if you want to just manage with the changing of the order of the task in the map view, first we have to set the Google map. So for that, you want the API key as well as the secret number. So first you have to configure that, then only you can just manage with the switching of the task. So as you just move on to the map view in the field service, you can find the task that been arranged. So if you have any task that has higher priority, you can simply drag and drop it in the map view. Okay, so that is one of the change that you can find in the field service. And the other feature that to be included under this is that we can also set a cover image for the task. So if I'm just
Like we set for product and all, like image can be set.
Image can be set. So from that image itself, we can easily identify what this field service is going to do. Okay, so we don't need to just get into the task to see what's happening in this field service or anything. You will be getting a brief idea of what the task or the field service is. Okay, so these are the features that we have included in this session.
So these features have one more specialty because they are all on existing module.
Yeah.
Okay, so these much are what we have for you in this particular video. So if you have any confusion, please comment down below. We'll be happy to help you guys.
Yes, so we have already published all these features in our channel, so you can just watch that.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video.